Today we are going to explore the similarities and differences between a 1025R, a 2025R, and a 3025E. All of these pieces of equipment are compact utility tractors, and they are all 25 horsepower. Just by looking at these tractors, it is clear to see that as the series number progresses, the size of the tractor increases. The 1025R is the smallest of the three on the left, the 2025R is the middle size in the middle, and finally, the 3025E is the largest of the group on the right. While the frames of these tractors increase, so does the size of the tires. The 3025E tire size is about double the size of the 1025R, with the 2025R being in the middle. With the frame and the tire size increase also comes a weight increase. The heavier the tractor, more stability is translated, and even a smoother ride. The 1025R and the 2025R are mostly similar. The biggest difference in these two tractors is the frame size and tire size. They both have a lot of the same features and use the same implements. They have a heavier seat with integrated suspension, which provides a smoother ride. They have cruise control, utility work lights, the capability to tilt your steering wheel, and rubber floor mats that can be removed for cleaning. Now let's move on to the 3025E. This tractor poses the most differences as compared to the 1025R and the 2025R. Like I stated previously, this tractor is the biggest of the three, weighing the most. The 1025R and the 2025R feature the quick disconnect 120R loader, whereas the 300E loader on the 3025E is bolted onto the frame. This tractor, unlike the others, does not have the luxury features such as the integrated suspension seats, utility work lights, tilted steering wheel, or cruise control. The floor of this tractor is made of a hard polymer, whereas the 1025R and the 2025R have the rubber flooring. All three of the tractors have capability to have multiple attachments, but it is important to note that the 3025E doesn't have the capability to attach a belly mower deck like the other tractors do. That pretty much sums up the main similarities and differences between the 1025R, 2025R, and the 3025E. Check out these models and their attachments at www.westcentraleq.com or stop by any of our 5 locations for more information.